Hi friends, today we are gonna make this star which is like a puppet also. So first we need to take two side paper in middle so that we'll get so much length so that we can make the star good. So after that we need to cut all the pieces into line by line like this as shown in the video. So I like the star so much, so I used to make it at school to play with it, and I love it very much. And it is easy to make. It just take two to 3 minutes for one star, so it will take little amount of time only. It is like a puppet also, so I play with it also. And it is so easy to carry. We just need to fold it and keep it inside our bag or our pockets. It will be so fun. After cutting this all, you need to make a knot like this. We need to make it so tight. It should not be so tight and so loose. It should be touching to each other line, and we need to cut out extra papers like this. Then you need to rotate the paper non-stop till it gets to the end and cut the extra and insert it inside the hole so that we'll get the knot easily without making the glue. So like this we have to make lot of. You can paint it or you can even color it or make it plain as you much like. I made it in rainbow because I like rainbow in colors, so easy, and it will be so looking good. It can be a time pass thing also. You can make it with just a strip of paper, and it doesn't use glue and anything. We just need to cut it all over this thing and we need to rotate it like that. So it is very easy. You can try whenever you want. If you have a paper, you can do anything. You can name it or you can just make it dance or do anything you like with it. It is very easy. By the star you can make it like anything. Like you can make a picture of it. Like you just need to make the stars and stick it on the paper or the chart to make it. And I like to make it. When you make in the chart also now, it will be strong and it will look good. You can have in different colors, even in color paper. Then you need to fold it like this, the star, the edges of it, like shown in the video. Like you need to press the edges so that the air inside it will go inside to make it easily. As you see in the video, it went, though it is easy to make, and sometimes the knot gets removed. You just need to put it back in its place. Simple, and I like to make it very much. It should be like a hexagon shape so that the star will come. And I like the colors, so I took some colors like pink, orange. So I started to color them by the corner. If you want to color whole, means color the whole paper. I didn't mean it, and I just do like this at the corner so that it will look like 3D star or something. I love to make this. When you are bored, you can make it. It is very easy to make. You just need to do some kachak buchak in it. Like this, I took light pink, dark blue, orange, silver, and I like to make it. See, the coloring is very easy. In this all, I like yellow and the light pink. It looks so attractive, and we can make bracelet with it and all kind of things. And by these colors you can do some craft. You can do it in any emoji. I liked some emoji which looks so cute. Cat, smiley, crying. If your friend is angry at you, you can give it as a gift. Like and you can make bouquet also with it, like making lot of stars and putting a stick in between them, and done. Your bouquet is also done with the stars. It is so easy. So like this, you need to fold the side, all of them. Then like this, I did all of them like a star shape, and I loved them. I gave these things for my sister and my friend to play with it. They loved it so much, and I wrote lot of emojis. I like this cat face, so I put this cat face all around this stars. I gifted like this to my friend and she loved it. Like this I can make anything like a bouquet or a chart. Even when you make a chart, if it occupies small space, just press it in. Simple. I wrote this emojis. You can write anyone's name, your friend's name. Even you can write any like your starting name also with it. I liked it so much by making it like this. So I used to make this a lot. I used to have this like 20. Even my friend knows to make it. I helped her, and now she is understanding how to make it like this. I made all 7 colors in the video, all like this. Will you make like this and give it to your friends? Thank you for subscribing. If you didn't, please subscribe and like and share and click the bell button. Bye.